Hi there, it's Dr. Heyer from Holistic Health, where we use chiropractic, acupuncture, nutrition to help sick people get well and well people stay healthy. In this video series, we've been talking about posture and how it correlates to longevity or having a longer life. And we talked about in the last video how a compressed rib cage or having poor posture can actually contribute to health issues like cardiovascular disease, stroke, as well as respiratory issues because of the compression and not allowing the rib cage to expand and get good oxygen into the body, as well as putting stress and pressure on the heart. But I want to talk about something more related to the musculoskeletal system, especially to my older gentlemen. There was an article in the Archive of Internal Medicine that correlated a loss of height and posture to increasing bone disease in issues like osteopenia, osteoporosis, as well as arthritis. And something that make that correlation, I want to help better explain that. So if we pretend that these beads represent vertebrae, and we should have movement right and left between the vertebrae, forward and backwards, and rotating right and left as well. But what happens is when we have poor posture, it places additional stress on these joints, and what can actually lead to is joints that get locked up or fixated or excessively stressed. And what we know is that the longer these joints are under this excessive stress or fixation, the body starts to become arthritic in those joints. And basically because the posture wasn't corrected and the joint function wasn't restored, that arthritic condition progresses faster than what we would really want to be considered normal. So posture not only has an effect over our heart and our lungs, but also our musculoskeletal system as well. So if you or someone you know is dealing with some arthritic issues in their neck, back, or spine, or even if there are other joints, and are looking for a more natural approach to helping those situations and conditions, feel free to shoot us a message or make a comment on this video. And if you could, do me a favor, like, comment, and share this information so we can help other people in the community. Thanks, have a great day.